Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the existing equipment at a location from the mobile application that you're going out to a job on. So here I've got the mobile application up and I have this job on my schedule. So I'm going to go ahead and click View Job. And this is going to open up the job details. Now let's say that I want to go in and I actually want to see the equipment that we've installed or recorded in the past at this location. So what I can do is go over here and go to History. And this gives me a bunch of information about previous things we've done, previous estimates. You'll see that all listed here. Previous invoices we've done at the account, previous notes. But the major thing here is existing equipment. So if you click here, you can see any equipment that has been installed at the location. As you can see now, there is no equipment at this location, so it would be a good idea to add some when I go out on the visit.